Hello everyone. Welcome to topic of the day. Today we will discuss on raising marriageable age for women. Now recently this topic was in news as the Union Cabinet has cleared a proposal to raise the minimum marriage age for women from 18 to 21 years. The age of marriage for women was increased from 15 to 18 years in 1978 by amending the erstwhile Sharda Act of 1929. This Sharda Act was first passed in the Imperial Legislative Council of India that initially fixed the age of marriage for girls to be 14 and boys 18 years. Further, in 1978, it was increased to 18 and 21 years for boys. Now, at present, according to the Section 5 of the Hindu Marriage Act of 1955, 18 years is the permissible age for women, while 21 is the age for men. The recent National Family Health Survey revealed that child marriage has come down marginally from 27% in 2015-16 to 23% in 2019-20 in the country. This proposal for increasing the marriageable age for women is based on recommendations made by a task force which was formed by the Centre and headed by Mrs. Jaya Jaitley. It was to examine the matters pertaining to the age of motherhood, imperatives of lowering the maternal mortality rate, and improvement of the nutritional levels and related issues. This task force was created in June 2020. It took data from 16 universities and talked to around 15 NGOs to arrive at certain recommendations. Now, what are these recommendations? First, the age of marriage is to be increased. Then, increasing access to schools and colleges for girls. Skills and business training and sex education in school should be mandatory. Also, awareness campaigns to encourage social acceptance in this regard. Now, these recommendations are not for population control, as we have seen that there is already a decline in the total fertility rate. That is, from 2.2, it has declined to 2 at a national level. Now, let's discuss the need to increase the minimum age. Firstly, when we talk about gender neutrality, that is, men and women are at par. Therefore, the age of marriage for men and women should be equal. And this was the vision of our constitution as well. Secondly, it also impacts on the overall health and mental well-being of women and child. Raising this age will also help in lowering the infant mortality rate and the maternal mortality rate. If we take up 2019 estimates, there are around 15 lakh girls in India who were married at the age of less than 18 years. And if we see a global number of child brides, then 1/3 of the child brides globally come from India. Therefore, it is actually needed to outlaw child marriages and prevent the abuse of minors. Lastly, and most importantly, it will lead to women empowerment in the areas of health, education, economic independence, etc. Let's discuss some of the issues related to this matter. Now, this legislation doesn't come to terms with the personal law of various religions like Hindu Marriage Act of 1955 and the Islamic law. Therefore, it can push a large portion of population into illegal marriages. Also, it can negatively impact the marginalized communities. Also, some leaders have stated that bringing this legislation is futile as child marriage has already decreased and will further reduce due to awareness. Now, let's discuss some possible way ahead, and you can also write your thoughts in the comment section below. First, it will bring social awareness among the masses. Also, this will allow women to attain psychological maturity, which is actually the most important thing before marriage. Also, to exercise their reproductive rights better and take decisions on family planning and the use of contraceptives. Also, these type of legislations are important because there is need to emphasize upon the economic and social empowerment of women and girls. Now, let's take up a practice question on this topic. The Jaya Jaitley Committee, recently seen in news, was formed in context of A. Development of tribal areas, women participation in the STEM field, criminalization of politics, D. Raising marriageable age for women. You have to choose the correct option. You can write your answers in the comment section below. So the correct option is D. That is, the Jaya Jaitley Committee is associated with raising marriageable age for women. So this was all for today's topic. You can also read the detailed analysis of these topics in the current affairs section on our website. And for more such videos, do stay tuned to the Next IS YouTube channel.